Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the SQL Server service is running and you have appropriate permissions. Without alter or sysadmin rights, you cannot change table structure. Once connected in SSMS, expand the Databases node and locate the target database. Make sure you know the table name, schema, and whether any triggers or computed columns exist. This avoids breaking dependencies. Now, right-click the table and choose Design to begin adding a column in the Table Designer. In the Table Designer, click the first empty row to add your column name and select an appropriate data type. Make sure to set length, precision, and scale for types like varchar or decimal. Decide on null versus not null, and if needed, add a default constraint or mark as identity. These choices affect existing rows. If the column is computed, enter the expression. Once done, click Save. SSMS translates your edits into alter table statements and applies them to the database. For repeatability or automation, use TSQL, alter table schema. Table name add column name data type null not null constraint. This is explicit and safer in deployments. For large tables, add the column nullable first and backfill values in controlled batches to avoid long locks and log growth, then alter to not null with a default. If something fails, check permissions, blocking sessions, and constraint conflicts. The error message points to the root cause and guides whether to drop constraint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.